Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samson, the roadman, and today guys I'm here. Wow, this is the wall fence which we actually built for one of my subscribers in the UK, and today there's some guys that have come to install the gate, so that the place is completely secured, guys. Okay, so that's the video for today. I will be showing you guys how the installation of this gate is going to be done today. So if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification so that whenever we post a video, you guys won't miss like any single of my upload. Okay, so let me just show you how it's going to progress today. Okay. Hiyo ili hapo. Ibwele umo, mwemwa imirira. Kera penzo wacho zochea. Sinaona tupea apende pe mbofa kagenti. We put the sand right there, but then the keys have been blowing on it again, so it come back to the entrance right here. So just going to remove what was here. That's a good. Show you. Is that meters? Check up here. 2 meters. 2 meters. From there to there. This is the land that I actually bought for one of my subscribers in the UK. I'll just show you how the land is. Now, okay, so this is a 20 by 40 plot. Starting from this side. It's actually longer on this side as compared to the other side because we're trying to balance the meters and stuff. But then we bought this one I think almost 2 months ago. Is it 2 months ago? I think 2 months ago, yeah. This is the land. So for those of you that actually doubt that we can't buy you land right here in Zambia while you're living in the diaspora, this is purely a testimony, guys. Like this subscriber is actually based in the UK. She's never seen me before. Okay, she's never seen me before, but she trusted me. Like she trusted me to actually buy this particular piece of land, and I did. And the good part is that we actually had a good deal on this particular piece of land. Okay, the land we actually bought it from the headman of this area, who is He's the one that sold us this piece of land. Yeah. So if you're also looking for land, you're in the diaspora and you're looking for land in this particular area, land is still very much affordable. So you can get a 20 by 30, a 40 by 20, a 20 by 20, depending on your pocket. You know what I mean? So yeah, just get in touch with me. I'm actually going to put the number right on this particular video, so it will be showing right there. So make sure that you get in touch with me if you're looking for land, if you're living in the diaspora. Okay, and even those that are in Zambia and they would want to buy something from this area, there's still a bit of land here and there. Of course, we need to look for land. It's not that I know somebody that is already selling land. No, we need to look for that piece of land, and I do charge to find people land, especially those that want to buy here in Zambia. So there are some places that are easy for you to get land, and especially if you're in the diaspora, there are a number of areas of which I've actually done some videos about, like in along the 10 miles area, 10 miles, 15 miles, that side, along the Seveto Road, on this other side, this is actually in Kavangwe West. Okay, so this area is called Kavangwe West, and in Kavangwe West there are a number of villages. So there's like this particular one is called Mwanshama village, there's Kahale village, there's what's the other one, Kakoma village as well. So they are all in this particular area, and people are still selling land there, you know. So if you are looking for land, serious buyers, guys, you want something, you know, you can call home where you can actually build your dream house, this is the area. Of course, these are developing areas, guys, and also I've done a couple of videos for the areas, potential areas, which you can actually try to buy land from. You know, I've done videos about Mwamanyama, Mwambaiton, what's the other area? Yeah, like along the 10 miles, between 10 miles and 15 miles, somewhere there. So yeah, there are a number of areas there. And yeah, so today I'm just going to show you how this works. So we're installing the gate. So when the gate is done, you guys should be able to see how nice it's actually going to come out. So for the gate, because I'm not the one that found the gate, guys. My subscriber, the owner of this property, actually found them. She contacted them, and then they made a gate for her. So I'm just here to witness and send her a bit of videos just to show that the guys are indeed here and they are working. Okay. So as the video progresses, I'm actually also going to show you there's a piece of land right on this other side where I'm going to build houses. Here there's a piece of land which they are selling. It's quite a small land. Yeah, not that big. I think it should be 18 by 15, somewhere there. It's a small piece of land that is going for $1,000 US, guys, like 24,000 kwacha, somewhere there. But then I'm also going to show you the development in this area. Since the last time I did a video about this piece of land, there's been, you know, there's been some developments. Like people have been building houses, homes here. You know, the plots which I advertised the time we were actually building this wall fence, they are now taken and people have built houses. So stay tuned as I will get to show you those. Okay, let's go. So this is the remainder of what was bought initially. And also have a bit of sand, a bit of it is here, and a bit of it is also on this side. This is it. Going on, the developments that have actually taken place so far. So this is the main road. You come from down there, coming here, and that's the entrance of which we're going to put a gate. Then this road continues going down this way. But now let me just look through the other development that is actually taking place on this side. Okay, so the other time I advertised this plot over here. Yeah, like right here. Remember the plot next to our warfares? There was a 20 by 20 plot right here, but you can see there's a house now. Somebody's building, so somebody bought this piece of land. So that plot was actually divided into two, like 20 by 20 sort of plot. And let me show you the other side. Some serious works that have actually taken place. Some serious works there. They just brought more blocks on the other side. There's a house. There's a building there, very big house. So this is the far end of the plot, now outside. Okay, outside, the far end of it. Yeah, this is how it is. There are actually two. So the place was here and another day. So a whole lot of this land is now occupied by people here. Okay, so that's our war fence right over there. But then there's this piece of land right here, going all the way to where that small house is. There's a piece of land here. That's the one they are selling. It's an 18 by 15 sort of a plot which they are selling at about $1,000. Okay, right here. So this is the one. There's a whole fence over there. But this piece here. And this is a road actually here. There's a road here, which is going to be cleared nicely. But that's a piece of land over there. Okay, now what I found interesting is that our neighbors who have a big mansion right here, they have put this is more of their beacon. But where they've put it, you can see this pole. They've entered into our roadside. Because you look at this pole, so they put ends right there. But they've decided to put the pole here, which is very close, which is actually in the road. They need to move it a little bit. You can right here. It's supposed to be there. So there's like a meter into the road again, making the road, narrowing the road actually. So now this is 4 meters from the warfare to that. And here is supposed to be 5 meters. Guys, so some village. Okay, and you can see, but on the other side they've left quite a good road, very big space. I think that should be 7 meters or so. But here it's supposed to be somewhere here, where they have dug earlier. And now I think the guys that were putting these felt lazy to dig deeper here. So they opted to dig on a new place. As a result, they entered into the road. You know, they would have done better if they went maybe somewhere there. This is how it is, because this plot is actually has 2 roads on the other side and even here. So we are also concerned, you know, because in future maybe entrance for this can actually be somewhere here. Because here actually I find it peaceful and quiet on this side as compared to the army. There's so much noise there. The owner of Looks like they are not there. Okay, so this is another road which can actually take you to the other side, please. Okay. Mpeni ulipo. Ah. Ningine kwa kwanza hawana. Okay guys, so we are now installing finally guys. You can take a look. You can see. Angono. Alimu Angono. So the guys are here, very busy installing the gate finally. You see the works here. Let me just show you on this side. Nicely. so unaiona Sky Street right? Mwamba kwa Sky Street. Kaone ni mchemuche mjana. Leo lisaiza kazindeko huko. Na futi tena nyingi tena. Sky Street. Here. Panga V. Part. Looks like it's going to be that way because the gate looks to be the one with that issue. Apa pasangnya kujua? Guys are saying that this is too low, so maybe they can't decide here. Oh. Let's go in the good place. Ndipo sasa upitia tumapushi hapa. Hapo. guys, so it's an evening here in our village in Mwanshaman. You can see the whole fence there, but the new development is right here. Look at this. There's a gate now. This beautiful property. So guys, I just want installing the gate. Let me show you how it looks today. On this beautiful day, guys. And that's the African sunset right there. Okay, but take a look. So this is the gate that has been installed today. Today, guys, just to protect the land. This is how it is. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Yeah, and also if you're looking for a piece of land in our village here, right here, actually, you can let me know, guys. Beautiful gate over here, just to protect this piece of land until the owner actually comes. Okay, so this is gonna be somebody's residence, you know, which is super good. Okay. All right, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samson, the Roadman, once again, and I really appreciate you guys for watching this video up to this far. It really means a lot to me, especially those that are liking the videos, you know, that are coming. Always, like I was saying, guys, make it like a culture. Whenever I post a video, please support me by liking the video. Okay, so I have a lock here which I'm actually going to use. I'm going to lock up this place. Okay, and I'll always be coming to check how it's going. So yeah, thank you so much. Remember to like the video, subscribe, and share for more. Okay, I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. Take care of yourselves.